So just straight off the bat, this unit is bomb AF. So I've done a lot of these kind of curly style units before from other companies, but this one from Nadula Hair, hands down, is absolutely stunning, guys. This is 24 inches long. I believe this is about 150% density, and I love the fact that the colors and curls are still intact. Sometimes when hair gets processed, like color processed, you lose the curl and bounce. Guys, this unit is absolutely gorgeous. I did have it in middle part when I styled it, but I did go ahead and switch it off to a side part. It's not really a side part. I kind of try to do like a little flip over method in the front so that it looks more seamless and natural. So I did go ahead and cut a few layers right here along with a little bit right here. And yes, I did go ahead and customize the hairline, guys, so that I had more of a natural kind of look. So you guys can see the hairline looks very realistic. Like this wig, let me tell you guys, bomb AF. I was a little worried about the color just not having a darker root, but it looks really nice. It matches so perfectly. I like the fact that it kind of mixes it with highlights and also a chocolate color, so therefore it's not like boom in your face. I definitely feel like they did an excellent job, and like I said, I'm a chocolate girl, so I was super worried about the hairline just melting too much with my skin, but I'm gonna have to give them a round of applause on this one. Nadula Hair Company really did their thing with this unit, guys. It's absolutely stunning. Like, look at the blonde curls, like absolutely gorgeous. I love that this one peaks right where the ear is at, so I wanted to tuck it behind my ear. It just looks so nice and fresh. And you guys can see the colors all over, guys. Very nice and fluffy. It's 24 inches long, guys, so it's a nice length. And the fact that it's not a huge density, like 200% density, I feel that it makes it look more natural. And I feel like the layers that I cut in just look so good, framing the face. And like I said, I did light layers on this side as well too, guys. Nothing too much, just to kind of frame me off. So let me know what you guys think. I think that this so far would have to go as my #1 colored wig like this. This one hands down is bomb AF, guys. I did use a Can't Leave-In conditioner as my leave-in. You guys know I always use that product, and I'll leave a link down below. Natural air dried, this is what it looks like. You guys know I love air dried looks, so this is definitely gorgeous. Alright guys, so like I was saying before the camera cut me off, I'll leave all the information down below per usual, but do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.